The future of financial literacy in an AI-driven economy. The way businesses and individuals interact with money is undergoing a groundbreaking transformation. Driving this change is artificial intelligence, AI, a technology reshaping industries and economies. For entrepreneurs, this shift presents both opportunities and unique challenges. Financial literacy today isn't just about traditional skills, like understanding cash flow, reading balance sheets, or interpreting profit margins. In an AI-driven economy, it's about mastering tools, concepts, and strategies that ensure your business thrives amidst rapid technological progress. This video will take you on a journey to understand how AI is changing financial literacy, why entrepreneurs must adapt, and how to make the most of this evolving landscape. Artificial intelligence has infiltrated nearly every aspect of financial management, reshaping how businesses handle money and make critical decisions. Today, AI-powered tools can analyze market trends, track cash flows in real time, forecast demand, and even offer personalized investment recommendations. For example, platforms incorporating AI can provide entrepreneurs with tailored datasets that simplify complex calculations or allow for efficient financial modeling. This eliminates guesswork and gives businesses the power to make accurate decisions quickly. Another field AI is transforming is credit scoring. Advanced systems now analyze an entrepreneur's financial history along with non-traditional data points like social media, expanding access to loans for businesses that were often sidelined using traditional evaluation methods. AI has effectively democratized access to financial information and resources, leveling the playing field for entrepreneurs regardless of their business size or scale. However, the ease and efficiency AI delivers come with strings attached. Challenges like data privacy concerns and biased algorithms require entrepreneurs to use such tools thoughtfully. Let's explore these challenges further. While AI offers immense benefits, its increasing role brings challenges that entrepreneurs need to recognize and proactively manage. One primary concern is reliance. Many businesses risk leaning too heavily on AI-powered tools, trusting their outputs without fully understanding them. This blind reliance creates a scenario where businesses lose touch with the financial basics or fail to recognize errors and inaccuracies in AI-generated insights. Another significant hurdle is data privacy. AI systems rely on vast amounts of sensitive information, making businesses vulnerable to breaches if systems aren't secure enough. As an entrepreneur, protecting your customers' and businesses' data must always remain a top priority. Lastly, AI systems have been criticized for embedding biases into their decision-making. For example, an algorithm predicting creditworthiness might be skewed by the kind of data it was trained on, unfairly penalizing certain groups or misrepresenting a business's capabilities. Entrepreneurs must be cautious, ensuring that technology serves as a supplement, not a sole decision maker. By addressing these challenges head-on, entrepreneurs can confidently embrace AI tools. Beyond issues of AI's application, the financial world is also being reshaped by emerging technologies like blockchain and digital currencies. Entrepreneurs must expand their knowledge to align with these advancements. AI alone isn't the future of financial literacy. It intersects with other transformative technologies that are critical for entrepreneurs to understand. For example, blockchain is revolutionizing financial systems by enabling decentralized, transparent, and immutable records. This is particularly useful for businesses that process contracts or transactions, as it reduces reliance on intermediaries and minimizes fraud. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded on a blockchain, are already streamlining partnerships and supply chains. Digital currencies, such as Bitcoin or central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are another area entrepreneurs can no longer ignore. AI's integration with these technologies allows businesses to conduct faster, more secure transactions while offering analytical insights into cryptocurrency markets. These technologies are reshaping how money works at its core. Entrepreneurs must move beyond basic awareness of these concepts and develop a functional understanding. The question is no longer if they will affect your business, but when. This leads to a crucial realization: financial literacy in the future isn't just about keeping track of dollars and cents, it's about adapting to a tech-enabled landscape. To do that, new skills must be embraced. Entrepreneurs in an AI-driven economy must redefine financial literacy to ensure their businesses remain competitive and innovative. First, critical thinking skills will be more important than ever. AI will feed you data points and probabilistic outcomes, but sound judgment and interpretation will always rest with you. Entrepreneurs need to evaluate, cross-reference, and apply AI insights to real-world business challenges. Second, adaptability is key. Financial systems evolve fast, and the AI tools available today might be obsolete tomorrow. Entrepreneurs willing to adopt and learn new technologies will find themselves ahead of the curve. For instance, staying open to incorporating blockchain-powered payment methods or AI-based budgeting systems can give businesses a distinct edge. Lastly, a deep understanding of risks, like data breaches, cybersecurity vulnerabilities, or inaccuracies from overly complex algorithms, is essential. These skills allow entrepreneurs to confidently mitigate pitfalls as they leverage these technologies to power their businesses. Now that we've outlined these essential skills, let's discuss strategies for staying ahead and improving your financial literacy to embrace this new technological era. For entrepreneurs striving to thrive in an AI-driven economy, lifelong learning is non-negotiable. Here are practical ways to stay informed and upskill. Leverage AI-driven educational platforms. Many tools out there can help you develop better financial literacy. Platforms like Coursera and Codecademy now offer AI-powered personalized pathways for mastering subjects like business analytics and blockchain. Adopt financial AI tools early. Don't wait for your competitors to take the lead. Start experimenting with finance tools like predictive budgeting software or AI-driven CRM platforms that offer financial dashboards. These tools simplify analytics and help improve decision-making in areas like investments or scaling operations. Consume media and follow trends religiously. Podcasts, webinars, and newsletters from tech and financial thought leaders are critical resources. Not only do they offer insights, but they also help you foresee upcoming industry shifts. Collaborate with specialists. If AI and tech-heavy financial systems feel overwhelming, consulting expert advisors can help you bridge the gap. Develop a support system that includes accountants, data analysts, and IT specialists who understand AI tools inside and out. Test forward-thinking technologies. Dive into areas like blockchain-based payment systems or decentralized finance platforms. Use simplified, beginner-friendly apps before graduating to more advanced ecosystem tools. Build a culture of continuous learning. Foster this mindset not just in yourself but across your entire business. Encourage your team to take part in relevant courses or seminars and experiment with emerging technologies. By following these steps, you'll establish a solid foundation for succeeding in this rapidly evolving financial landscape while confidently leveraging new technology. As exciting as AI-driven tools may be, understanding how to use them responsibly is equally critical for maintaining long-term growth and trust. To safeguard your business, invest in state-of-the-art cybersecurity solutions tailored to your financial platforms. This will protect sensitive customer data, internal operations, and proprietary business insights from data breaches or hacking attempts. Additionally, always cross-check AI-driven insights with human logic. Deploy fail-safe mechanisms to monitor algorithms and identify odd behaviors early. Use human oversight to prevent errors. Lastly, maintain a healthy balance between human judgment and AI predictions. For instance, while your financial analysis tool might suggest cutting costs in one area, human expertise can nuance those suggestions by factoring in variables like customer satisfaction or long-term brand reputation. Proactively managing risks ensures your business capitalizes on the advantages of AI while minimizing downsides. What's next for financial literacy as AI continues to evolve? Imagine systems capable of hyper-accurate predictive analytics, offering long-term forecasts for global financial trends or consumer behavior. Think about AI-integrated platforms that combine blockchain and traditional banking systems for unparalleled speed and security. These advancements stand to amplify the role of strategic finance in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs of the future won't just need to keep up with these innovations, they'll need to anticipate and innovate alongside them. This requires staying plugged into communities of forward-thinking tech professionals, attending industry events, and investing in tools before they become mainstream. In the AI-driven economy, financial literacy for entrepreneurs must evolve beyond traditional skill sets. The intersection of artificial intelligence, blockchain, and digital currencies is reshaping how money moves, decisions are made, and risks are navigated. Entrepreneurs who embrace these shifts, with critical thinking, adaptability, and a culture of lifelong learning, will not only survive but thrive. The tools are ready, the opportunities are enormous, and the time to elevate your financial skills is now. Seize the chance to combine technology with entrepreneurial insight and become a leader in the future of finance. The AI-driven economy awaits bold, informed innovators. Will you lead the charge? Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.